Apple launches Thinnest Watch Series 10. Apple unveiled the Watch Series 10 at Monday's It's Glow Time event, nearly a decade after the iPhone manufacturer launched its first thinnest smartwatch. The new wearable features a display that's up to 30% brighter, enhancing visibility. The screen, which is larger than its predecessors, is protected by durable onyx glass. As for the body, it's 10% thinner compared to the Series 9, which measures approximately 9.6mm. According to Apple CEO Tim Cook, the newly introduced Apple Watch Series 10 boasts our biggest screen and thinnest design yet. Apple Watch Series 10 specs. The speakers are designed to offer an enhanced acoustic experience, allowing users to enjoy music and podcasts directly on the watch, eliminating the need for AirPods. Additionally, the latest charging coil provides 80% battery life in just 30 minutes, a notable improvement. It rocks in an aluminum option with a replaced stainless steel and makes the watch lighter than ever. Sleep apnea detection. It's the first ever Apple Watch that detects sleep apnea that efficiently utilizes the watch's accelerometer to browse the sleep disturbances, which is dubbed as a medical-grade feature, very soon to be approved by the FDA. Moreover, it's deeply integrated with depth sensors for water-based activities. The company emphasizes a major activity to use this feature by snorkeling versus the Ultra's scuba diving, along with the Tides app for surfers and more. Chipset. The Series 10 is equipped with the latest S10 chipset, which allows the neural processing to enhance sound along with the microphone. Introducing Translate to the wearable, which is substantially a perfect choice, especially for all travelers. Apple Watch Series 10 price. The Apple Watch Series 10 landed at $399, which is currently available on pre-orders, while shipping would start from September 28th.